In today's video, I'm going to teach you Manus AI versus Claude, which is faster. To keep this simple and actionable, we'll get you ready to compare them in a realistic way. Speed isn't just about how quickly text appears on screen, it's how fast you can move from an idea to a solid, usable result. That includes setup, drafting, revision, and the back and forth it takes to land on something you're confident publishing or sharing. Start by signing in to your Claude account. Having access ready ensures you can try prompts, paste in materials, and see how the assistant responds in real time. If you use a team workspace, verify you're in the right environment so saved chats and documents are easy to find later. This will make any side-by-side comparison smoother because you'll reduce the friction from switching tabs or hunting for files. Now, let's look at Manus AI. This platform is built specifically for writing and idea generation, with professionals like marketers and entrepreneurs in mind. Its streamlined workflows are the headline. You move from research to drafting to editing in a focused, distraction-free interface. That structure can translate into practical speed because each stage lives where you need it, and you're nudged to progress instead of context switching. Manus AI's standout strength is how it balances creativity with factual precision, helping you brainstorm boldly while keeping your claims anchored. Where it may feel slower is around integrations and customization. As a newer platform, it has fewer built-in connections. So if you depend on a particular CMS, data source, or team system, you might rely on copy-paste or manual exports. For many solo creators and small teams, though, the clear, guided canvas means fewer decisions and a quicker path to a polished draft. Turning to Claude, think of it as a conversational AI assistant tuned for large-scale text generation, reasoning, and analysis. It excels at summarization and context-aware tasks, especially when you're working with long documents or datasets. That means if your definition of faster includes digesting complex material, extracting insights, and maintaining continuity across long threads, Claude often shines. Its emphasis on safety, interpretability, and responsible design helps keep outputs reliable and consistent, which can save time you'd otherwise spend correcting tone or facts. Potential drawbacks include less flexibility or spontaneity in creative leaps compared to some rivals, and higher-tier usage can be costly for small teams, which may limit how freely you iterate. So, which feels faster? If you want rapid ideation and drafting inside a focused writing workspace, Manus AI may get you to a strong first draft sooner. If you need deep summaries, careful reasoning, and long context reliability, Claude can compress research and review time. With your Claude access ready and a clear sense of each tool's strengths and limits, you're set to evaluate which one moves your real projects from start to finish the quickest.